So here's some filter dryers and Sportland sight glass, two different types on the Sportland sight glass. So if you look on this part number where it says 12 FM, that's for female male. This is threaded. This one is 1/4 inch and it's threaded female, and then it has male on the other side to have your sight glass. As you can see, it's yellow, so it's wet. On this one, when you look at the part number, you see the 13S. You see the S? The S means sweat. That means you're gonna sweat or braze. You're gonna use silver solder to braze your copper line to your CL sight glass. And since these are used units that have been moved and they have been exposed to the atmosphere that I'm putting on upstairs on the roof, if I could get this off, you can see this is an unusually larger than standard size filter dryer. Extra removal capacity of acid and moisture. This is an extra large unit because I know I'm putting it on a very contaminated system. There's nothing we can do about that, because when they're used units, I never trust what anybody done. And when I see used units that have been open and exposed to the air for a long time, that means all the POE oil in the system has been exposed to the atmosphere. All I could do is leave it on the vacuum pump over the weekend while I'm finish this up today. Just leave it on the vacuum pump on the weekend, running 24/7, and I'll come back Monday and it is what it is. But that's why I'm putting the extra large dryer on, and of course always a sight glass. And these are rated by refrigerant and by tonnage. So if you see on here, depending on the number of the unit, where this one says 303, a 303 is rated, if it was for R34 134, anywhere from 3 to 5 tons of refrigerant flow capacity. 404, 2 to 5, that's for refrigeration. This is for low temperatures like 5 degrees Fahrenheit, you know, stuff like that. Ice cream, negative, you'd be like that. For air conditioning, this is for comfort cooling in your house. For air conditioning, 134 from 4 to 15 tons. You see the difference? Same gas, but completely different rating, what it's capable of handling. I'm working on 410 right now, and this is rated for, this can handle anywhere from 5 to 20. So you see how that goes. All right, guys, I'll see you later.